Good afternoon, welcome back to the shop. We got Team Prestyn Racing's Lego truck here, 1450. We're getting ready to install a Ford Mittler Brother 10-inch rear trophy truck housing. Today we're featuring a product from oddballmotorsports.com. This is our lower double shear axle locator. So what you're going to get is this whole setup. You get the larger tabs, which go on the inner side, the smaller tabs, which overlap, same hole, and make it a double shear. You're also going to get the side plates that also is used to make it boxed. Other way, sorry about that. It boxes up the heim joint and the tabs, so that way it'll make it stronger. Usually what I like to do is I'll set up a misalignment spacers, also available at Oddball Motorsports. These are for 1.25" heim joint, stepping it down to a 3/4 inch bolt. These bolts and nuts are just used for mock-up purposes. Usually we use a full shouldered bolt. They'll go all the way through. We got multiple sizes you can use. Just let us know your axle diameter and they'll fit right up. Good clean lines, everything with them. Oh, not holding them flat, but you can mount them underneath the axle, midway of the axle, or quarter. Whichever way you want to use them, the best way is to get a fully ready to weld setup. And this is, again, the DIY double sheared, weld it yourself, lower axle bracket. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna get some welding done and get her on the site here in a bit.